Hi, my name is Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Special. Why is it special? Because I'm using melon and pomelo. I'm using Pasar Ipph pomelo. It's juicy, heavy, and it's very fragrant. Another one is the Australian rock melon, fragrant as well and sweet. And you cannot miss out FairPrice natural coconut cream. First, we will cook the milk content. Fresh milk, you pour into the pot, followed by sugar, and then we bring to boil. So this is the gelatin leaves, and what you have to do is you have to put in ice water to soften the gelatin leaves. As it is about to boil, you can just switch off the heat and then remove the gelatin leaves out from the water, squeeze it very dry, and just put it. Stir until the gelatin leaves are dissolved completely. While the milk and jelly is dissolving, we will let it cool. We have our sour cream. We're going to add the lemon juice into the sour cream and mix well. So when you mix well already, we're going to set aside, cut the rock melon and remove the seed. So right now, we're going to scoop the melon into balls. What are you going to do with the rest? We're going to chop into pieces and blend. So we are done with the puree and the balls, and now we're going to peel the pomelo. That's enough. So the pomelo is done. We're going to set it aside. We're going to mix the milk into the sour cream. And transfer into the coupe glasses. So the pudding has been set, so we are ready to put the dessert together. Now the first layer we're going to put is actually the puree of rock melon. And followed by the melon balls. And now the pomelo. Followed by the natural coconut cream. Finally, the mint leaf. Well, here you go, the beautiful melon and pomelo pudding. Well, melon represents 甜甜蜜蜜, which is sweet abundance, and pomelo represents family bonding during Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财!